Welcome to Eternal Easy Education. In this session, you are going to learn Chapter 13, Python and CSV files. Content of this video is writing data into different types in CSV files. So we'll see one by one. Creating a new normal CSV file, modifying existing file, adding a new row, CSV file with codes, and adding CSV file with custom delimiters, and how to add a file with the line terminator and a code characters. So writing data into different types in CSV file. As you know, Python provides an easy way to write CSV file and has CSV module to read and write data in the CSV file. In the previous topics, you have learned how to read CSV file in Python. Yes, we learned how to read CSV file using dictionary reader as well as reader. You can also write or edit an existing CSV file. So creating a new normal CSV file. So here is the example. File object delimiters and optional parameters which help to override the default values. So this is the function used to write a CSV file in Python. CSV.writer file object, delimiter, parameters. So module, then CSV data. Here is the data. Data means first thing is the heading. Student age. Next one is the first row, Danush. Next one is the Kalyani second row and third row. Then using open function, we are creating a file with write1.csv with the write mode. And write.csv.writer CF. The CF is the file object, and using that object writer.write rows CSV data. What is the CSV data? This is the data we have stored already. So we executed the file, there is no error. So now we will check where the file has formed. It has to be in the CSV folder. So in the E drive CSV folder, so write one. So write one CSV file. So student, age, then all the three rows are added and a CSV file has created. So using this first function with the writer row, we have created a new CSV file. Data, file name and the writer rows built-in function. Write row method is write one row at a time. If you need to write all the data once, you have to use write rows. So one more question. Next one is modifying some changes, making some changes in data of existing file or adding more data is called modification. So how to do this? Okay, here is the file write one with the title student, age and three rows are there. This is the present file. Okay, now we are going to modify this. How to modify? We are having a row as a name and the age. Then opening the file with the read only method, and we are reading the file. List.reader to store each row of our data as a list. Then the fourth line equal to row. So the fourth line is Meena 17. Okay. Then we are opening the file, that means in write mode. Then using CSV writer, we are with the object write file. Then we are using the write rows, as we know, to add more than one record one row, we have to use write rows, lines. So already the lines will have the content, and then last row is added with the data given by the user in the program, and totally all the things are added in a single line to the file. So here all the records are taken. After that, the last in the sense in the fourth row, the given data is added. Then we are writing that into the CSV file. So it's executed successfully. So the E drive CSV file and the CSV folder, and the file name is write1. So already it was 3 records. So in the fourth line, given row is added. So this is the method to modify the existing file. Okay. Adding a new row. So just we can add the line without saying anything. Just row is given and the row is added using the function write row. We know the difference between write row and write rows. Write row means single row. Write rows mean multiple rows are added. Then CSV file with codes. So how to do this? This file is having codes, and using this line csv.register dialect, as we did already, we are using the same line, and you are going to use this line to add the codes into the data. So the output will be like this. So here the module is inserted, then the content is typed with the single quotes, and we are using this CSV register dialect with the quoting is csv.quote all. That means include all the codes. Then the file name is write2. As usual, we are using the writer csv.writer file name followed by the dialect object. Then we are taking the for loop to write the row one by one. So the file executed, CSV folder write2. So the content is added with the codes, so which is given in your book. Next, CSV file with the custom delimiters. Custom delimiter means we can have a delimiter for our choice, that we are going to use a pipeline. Same program coding, only the difference is here the delimiter is pipeline. Here we didn't say any delimiter, that means the default delimiter comma. So here the delimiter is pipeline. Execute. Here the program is in write3. That means the file name which is going to be created by this Python program. So we'll open the write3 file. Here the delimiter is pipeline. While we are giving the content, it was only with comma, but while writing we are using the delimiter as pipeline. So the file is created with the delimiter pipeline. So CSV file with the line terminator. Line terminator means here the delimiter is pipeline, the line terminator is /n. /n represents new line. So the line terminator /n /n separates each row, display the data after every 2 lines. So it depends upon the need. here it is given only /n, so only one line. So the data is fruit quantity, and we are using the CSV register with the delimiter pipeline and the line terminator /n, and we are opening the file with the name of line, and we are inserting the row using right rows. So the file executed. So the file with the fruit quantity, apple 5, everything is given with the delimiter of /n, pipeline, and the line terminator is /n. So next line. See here, we are increasing the line terminator as /r/n/r/n. So it says it will be double line. So run the module, take the program, and see the file now. Yes, there are 2 lines. So can you understand the difference between /n and /r/n? So this is the thing. So we have to decide how many lines we want. Based on that, we have to add the line terminator. So we have checked this also. So Python CSV module only accepts /n/r or single /n, single /r. So next one is CSV file with code characters. So here the code character is double quote. The double quote is within single quotes. So module followed by data, and the delimiter is here is double quotes within single quotes. Okay. The file name is code.csv. Writing completed, that is given here, so it is displaying. So the file is created with the delimiter pipeline and with double quotes. Consider here I am removing the double quotes. So the same file will be created without double quotes. So you have learned to write the CSV file with code characters. So in this video you have learned creating a normal CSV file, modifying existing file, adding new row, adding quotes, custom delimiters, line terminator, and code characters. That's all for this session. Thank you. Have a good day.